In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a channel in Slack. This is a great way to declutter your Slack workspace and ensure that you're only seeing the information you need day to day. So let's get started with the process. First, you need to launch the Slack desktop app or access Slack through your browser. Once there, make sure you are logged into the right workspace where the channel you want to archive is located. It's important to ensure you're in the correct workspace because this setting is tied to specific channels within each workspace. Next, take a look at the sidebar on your screen. From there, click on the channel you want to archive. This is where you should be extra careful to double check that it's indeed the right channel. Remember, once you archive a channel, it becomes read-only for users, so only select the channel you are sure about. A helpful tip: depending on your Slack plan, only workspace admins or the original channel creator will have the necessary permissions to archive channels. Once you've selected the right channel, you'll want to open the channel settings. You can do this by clicking on the channel name that's displayed at the top of your screen. By clicking here, you'll see an option for either settings or additional options. This might vary slightly depending on the version of Slack you are using. Now let's move on to archiving the channel. Scroll down through the settings page until you find the option labeled Archive this channel. Go ahead and click on Archive Channel. At this point, Slack will prompt you with a confirmation pop-up just to make sure you intentionally want to archive the channel. Click Confirm to proceed with archiving. Archiving a channel essentially removes it from the sidebar view for most users, but don't worry, all the content remains accessible for future searches should you need to reference any past discussions or files shared there. After you've archived the channel, verify its status. It should now appear as